So in one scenario that we recently took over, we are doing only server level support. And so we manage the servers. So that's going to be setting them up, making sure that they're backed up, handling any maintenance on them, installing new software onto them, making sure the security and permissions are set up correctly, maybe decommissioning servers. With this particular one, the on-site IT are handling all the desktop support related issues. So that's what they can focus on. So they can focus on user problems, setting up computers, just general troubleshooting of applications, then getting into the server, and then we work with them as if he's having an issue or doesn't have time to deal with it, he can pass issues off to us and say, hey, I need you to handle this particular thing.
So, what kind of organizations can benefit by using co-managed IT services?
Well, it's going to be any that just don't have enough resources to allocate to their IT department. So let's say that you're the only IT guy that's working at this company, but you want to take a vacation for a week or 2 weeks. Well, what do? Well, you're going to either be on call the entire time that you're on vacation, which means you're not on vacation, or what if you're out sick or there's some kind of family emergency? Any number of things that come up where I'm still having to field and handle all those support calls, but at the same time I'm trying to enjoy family time with my and I really don't want to do that. So part of it is giving them that separation, and then part of it's going to be I just have too much work for myself to handle. I just can't get everything done in on time or meet deadlines. And so then at that point, I can help offload some of that work to someone else on a part-time basis, full-time basis, whatever that is. Or, think about what if I just don't know how to do something? Maybe I can maintain that Exchange server. I can create mailboxes and I can, disconnect mailboxes when someone comes and leaves, comes and goes from the company. But I don't know how to set up an Exchange server, or I don't know how to migrate that to the cloud. So that's where our expertise will come in, where we can help that IT person with those types of responsibilities of things that they just don't know, don't have time to do, or really are just overworked and overwhelmed.